Alright guys, gawa tayo ng fruit salad. Mayroon tayong grated young coconut, nata de coco, cream, condensed milk. Mayroon tayong paprika green color and red color. And mayroon tayong fruit mix. First, lagyan natin ng Nestle cream. Ilagay din natin yung condense. Slowly lang. Lagyan natin ng eating cheese. Pero, frozen pa ito. I-toast pa natin. But meron akong konti dito. Ilagay natin. Salad natin. Yung grated coconut. Lagyan natin yung nata de coco natin also. Green tapioca. Lagay natin. Ilagay natin yung red tapioca. I warm it up before I put that there. Okay. So, mix natin lahat. So, we still need to put shredded cheese in this. Sarap. At saka, we put this in refrigerator. It's good to eat cold. Alright, ito na yung ano natin, simple salad. You just make sure, hold on. Pwede din ibang flavor na inalagay nyo dito. You guys can put some other ingredients you like to make a salad. You can put a lot of young grated coconut, fruit salad, and the more cheese, the more yummy in this one. But I'm still need to put cheese later. I need to defrost it yet. Okay, ito na yung salad natin, fruit salad. This is good for holiday. And serve this for dessert. And put this in the refrigerator. Ito yung cherry natin. Lagyan natin ng konting cherry para hindi maputla yung salad natin. Lagyan pa natin to ng shredded eating cheese. Pag kulang yung tamis niya, lagyan nyo lang ng condense. Okay guys, nilagyan na natin ng eating cheese, yung fruit salad natin. We can just mix it up. lagyan natin ng shredded cheese yung fruit salad natin. So we just need to mix it up para lalong lumapot at malalong sumarap. Ito yung cherry. Alright, so i-mix natin. Para lalong maglapot at lalong masarap.